So you're sitting there, all excited to play your favorite game on your brand new PlayStation 5 console. You turn it on, eagerly waiting for the console to connect to the server and dive into the gaming world. But wait, what's this? An error code? CE-108863-6? Oh no, not now. Don't worry though, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to fix the PS5 error code CE-108863-6 and get you back to gaming in no time. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Make sure your console is connected to a stable and reliable network. You can do this by going to the Settings menu, selecting Network, and then Test Internet Connection. If there are any issues with your connection, try restarting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. If your internet connection is fine, the next step is to update your console's system software. Sometimes, outdated software can cause compatibility issues and result in error codes. To update your PS5, go to the Settings menu, select System, and then System Software Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update. If updating the system software didn't solve the problem, it's time to rebuild your PS5's database. This process can help fix any corrupted data that might be causing the error code. To rebuild the database, turn off your console completely and then press and hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select the Rebuild Database option. Be patient, as this process may take some time. If none of the previous steps worked, it's time to contact PlayStation support. They have a team of experts who can provide personalized assistance and guide you through any further troubleshooting steps. You can reach them through their website or by phone. Remember, error codes can be frustrating, but with a little patience and some troubleshooting, you'll be back to gaming in no time. We hope this video helped you fix the PS5 error code CE-108863-6. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful gaming tips and tricks. Happy gaming!